Ladies, and a track. Oh my God, this DJ is good. You rockin' out. Let's get it else.
Hold up. They wasn't ready, Marco.
What?
You really gotta chill, Marco. They really wasn't ready. I mean, I was ready.
What?
I was ready, but they wasn't ready.
What?
You already know what it is, man. Savinji take over Savinji World.
What?
You rockin' out with Sean Killer in Montana.
What?
Let's get it. I mean, you can play the track now. Go ahead.
Stop. Hold up.
What?
Yo, Marco, you gotta stop playing with them, bro. You gotta chill.
What?
They was not ready for that, and you know they wasn't ready for that. I mean, I was ready for that. I've been ready.
What?
But they wasn't ready for that.
What?
All right. Hold on. Wait.
What?
Wait.
What?
Now you can play the track.
Hold up. Put your ass in there.
What?
Right now. It's your boy Young.